Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm actually really excited to show you this mod. It's probably the best mod I've done so far. This is a armrest. These are the containers in the box. You get USB sticks, some screws and some plastic bits. I opted for this one because it's like a leather top with some chrome bits, and the USB bits was really enticing for me. It has 7 USB ports, got a cup holder, it's got a lot of storage. Yes, it's very practical, so it definitely stood out compared to the other ones where they were just literally armrests and that's it.
Just let me be.
Okay, so installing this is a bit tricky, mainly the beginning part, because you need to position it in a way and then screw it into the center of your vehicle. So you got to make sure you got space, and then you got to make sure, you know, where do you want to screw it in. You know, you want it too far away, too close. So just make sure you test it out before you make any holes in the center of your car. This is how you would place this.
I hope you don't make the same mistakes when you blow the flame. You're kind of obsessive to me. You're kind of too strong on your feet. I can't say that I guarantee, but I know what you mean to me.
So the instructions on this were horrible when it came around. Okay, so as you can see here, so I had to put it at an angle because there wasn't enough clearance, but it worked just fine. I had to actually get more screws for myself because I wanted to do 2 screws on each side. They only give you, you know, enough to do 1 on each side. So yeah, screw it in, and this is where I'm screwing in the rest, showing you the process. What's really annoying is in most of our tutorials, they don't show you how they screw in the actual center console, and it was really annoying and frustrating actually. Most of the tutorials, they don't show you the hardest bit that you actually went to search a tutorial for. But anyways, I'm filling this in and I'm putting this in. And just make sure not to over tighten. This is plastic and it will crack, so you know, just tighten it enough. It's not like a safety kind of bit of the car, so don't worry too much about it. And that's it all put together. It's pretty sturdy. This is the view from the back. It's just a lot of USB spots, which is great. I love it. And this is it from the front. As you can see, it looks like it's part of the car. It doesn't look like it's extra. It looks like a special feature. So you know, I really like it. Like so much. When I was driving with it, it's so comfortable, so comfortable. Honestly, if you don't have an armrest, I'd recommend getting one. I'd recommend installing it. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section and I'll get to them. Alright guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.